Hello. Today I'm going to read a social story called What is the Coronavirus? The coronavirus is a virus that can make people feel unwell. The coronavirus can also be called COVID-19. People who have the coronavirus have sore throat, dry cough, fever, and shortness of breath. Most people who have the coronavirus stay at home to get better. Some people might even have to go to the hospital to get better. I can help stop the spread of germs by washing my hands with soap and water. I can take my time when I wash my hands. Make sure I wash between my fingers and all over my hands. If I can't use soap, I can use hand sanitizer. Unfortunately, there will be no school for you. But school will reopen again. I will stay at home while school is closed. I will complete schoolwork and homework while I'm at home. I know that I will be safe, and I don't have to feel afraid. I will be safe and happy at home with my family. I will not be able to go to some of my favorite places for now. But once the coronavirus is gone, I will be able to go back to my favorite places. Thank you for listening. This was a social story. What is the coronavirus? Have a great day.